Hi guys, just a little video on the setup on my Losi 5T. I'll kick it off with the body, which is a 30° north one. It's rubbery, so if you roll it, you won't damage it too much, like you would the stock one. Radio is a Futaba 7PXR. It's a really nice radio, lots of range, super high response rate, which is what I needed for this really. The big thing is the RCMAX 50GT engine, which is it's a billet reed case engine. Plenty of power for this big heavy truck. The RCMAX pull start assembly there. The Bonehead RC carbon fibre coil mount. We start the back now. Standard rear bumper. Bonehead RC carbon fibre shock towers. IRC bulkheads, billet bulkheads, IRC big bore shocks, Hostile Racing billet rear hub carriers, Fonzie RC turnbuckles all round, just to help stiffen it up a bit. We've also got some nice Turtle Racing billet plastic rear arms. You can see that there, but they're billets, they're milled out of a solid block. Turtle Racing rear chassis brace, the Walbro WJ carb, the Crazy Stews intake. It's got a ram air filter underneath the outerwears pre-filter there. Nice look at the billet of the engine housing. Modified RC centre diff carrier with Team Losi Racing centre diff cups. They're aluminium as well, all round to go in the help strengthen it up again. The front here, we've got the Team Chase front bumper, again with the Bonehead RC carbon fibre shock towers, with the IRC big bore shocks and the IRC bulkheads. Looking at the top here, we've got the RCMAX billet chassis plate. That's a new product of theirs, and it looks really nice with the engine as well, helps rep the brand. The ADI bell crank steering assembly, Turtle Racing front chassis brace. We've got an A-top high flow fuel line kit. It's got a little takeoff that goes into the tank just to help the stop the grommet from pinching the fuel line, so you get the most fuel all the time. Got the Hillentronic steering servo, the FID Racing servo horn. Team Chase push-pull steering assembly, just because this is quite a heavy truck and that will help keep the servo happy. Electrics wise, we've got a Killer RC kill switch fitted, along with a Killer RC 7200 milliamp hour LiPo. That's a 2-cell LiPo, just to supply the servos what they need. The high-tech steering servo there. Throttle brake servo, sorry, along with the FID servo horn once more. Looking at here, we have the Samba exhaust pipe that comes with the RCMAX engine. I believe it's titanium, but I'm not 100% sure, so I could be wrong. Little look at the braces again. The chassis is a stock 5T chassis, but it's been anodised black. I do plan to get the RCMAX billet chassis because that looks amazing, and it will help strengthen it up quite a lot again with this big, powerful, heavy engine. Got the IRC CVD drive shafts, front and rear. You can see them there. I believe they're IRC titanium kingpins as well. Just a nice little upgrade again. Yeah, if we look under the back here, you have the engine mount kit there because you can't use the spaces anymore. The full force RC rear skid plate. I do have one of them to go onto the front because it hasn't got one at the minute, it's just got the rear. Yeah, I hope you like the look of it. I like using it. It needs to be running, so hopefully the next video you'll see it running, and yeah, we can have some more videos ahead of that. Cheers guys.